Fuck! Hey, what's up guys? It's Pete with The Hook Set. Today's video, we are fishing in the rain with jerk baits. So the video starts 2 hours into our day with 0 fish. So without further ado, less talking, more fishing. Let's go! Water's flowing, you can hear it. There's a fish. There we go.
Small guy?
Yeah. Yeah, he's super small, dude. I felt like he came off.
Oh, no, he's still on.
I know. But I'm saying he's super small. I felt like he came off. Largemouth?
Not bad.
Largemouth, dude.
Super small.
Oh.
Decent.
Oh, you're off the jerk bait?
Yeah. Largemouth, dude.
We're gonna give you keep you 1 pound for that, okay?
Okay.
On the board. Give you 1.
Largemouth bass. Oh, he's so warm. You want to touch him? He's warm, dude.
He had a chunky stomach.
There we go. Number 1. Oh, there's trees up there. No. You know this spot hasn't been fished out yet. There's another one. Oh, it came off, dude.
He's going for them big ones, man.
Oh, I think he's still on.
Is he?
Maybe.
Yeah, no, small as no.
I'm on, wait.
I'll give you half a pound for that. Yeah, 1.5.
He was still on the entire time.
Yeah, 1.5, brother.
1.5.
What is
What's going on, bro?
What is this? Yeah, I don't know. Oh shit!
Hell no. Oh, your tire was less than you.
I'm at 4?
Yeah.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, dude. I bet Billy almost fucking took you out there.
We ain't saying no more. Hensley special. It's the Hensley special.
There's fish. Fish.
Oh.
Yeah. Watch out, Billy.
Ooh, good one, good one.
It might be a good one. It feel like a good one.
Coming up. Lots of love, dude.
Watch out, bruh. I'm gonna swing him.
Ooh, it's a decent one.
No, it's
Looks
not
like
too
it.
big. Oh, it's okay. Ooh.
Oh.
Hell no.
Yep. What? Oh my god! You might make it, dude. Probably go in the box. Oh man, dude. Did you see him pull that? Did you see him pull?
Yeah, that was that last minute.
Dude. The last minute dive. Last minute surge. Because it's in his eye.
Bro, they see that. Got some instructions.
Oh!
Is that you?
Oh, I'm on, dude.
It is you.
The biggest one that wasn't my fish, but I made that school there though.
Hey, right here.
I was like, how are you still on the tank? Hold on. I'm back in the leader. God damn.
On?
Fish.
On?
Yeah, for sure, dude.
After deep diving?
I'm feeling. Ooh. Hey, net.
Oh shit, hold on.
I got a net. I'm over here. Billy! Is he back in the lead?
Oh!
I don't know.
I don't know if he is.
Hey, this was big though.
Nah, bro. Let me take this. Good stuff. Good one, dude.
Yo.
That's a 3, huh?
Yep.
Good stuff. What's going on?
Alright guys, so there you have it. A lot of small fish and a whole lot of overreacting. But what are you gonna do, right? You're 2 hours into the day with 0 fish, and then all of a sudden, they suddenly start biting all of a sudden, right? Majority of the fish today we got were off of the Stacy 90. I was throwing that on 8-pound test, Izorline XXX. It's a copolymer line, and for the most part, it's been pretty good. This is the second time I took it out today. I've got it on my jerkbait rod, on my Senko rod, and also on a crankbait rod, all up 8 pounds, and it handled the water and just kind of the type of fishing that you're doing with it really well. Other than that, yeah, I mean, it was wet. We tried to stay dry. We didn't skunk. So we were on the verge of that, but then be happy to salvage the day with the last minute move up the river. So if you guys liked the video, if it made you laugh, if you learned something, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you on the water.